All right. Well, let's discuss the transportation-related amendments. As you all know, transportation concurrency is no longer mandatory underneath state law. And if local governments choose to do so, they can rescind concurrency. I like to point out that there's options out there, but there's still a significant amount of local governments that still have transportation concurrency. And there's some local governments that don't. And those local governments that don't have alternative systems, like for example, Pasco County and Duval County have replaced their concurrency systems with a mobility fee system, which we will talk about that mobility fee system and other alternatives when we have the Chapter 5 webinar. For local governments that do keep transportation concurrency and have any amendments related to that, they have to follow Section 163.3180 of the Florida statute. And there's several things they have to look at in regards to transportation concurrency, as seen on the slide before you. They have to make sure they have the goals, objectives, and policies that correctly implement their transportation concurrency system. They have to have professionally acceptable methods for level service analysis and identification of facilities that meet those standards. They also have to allow applicants to satisfy concurrency requirements by entering into agreements for funding construction of improvements. They have to develop policies and other mitigation techniques to address negative impacts from development, as well as develop tools and techniques to complement the application of transportation concurrency within their jurisdiction. Now, in the past, before 2011, there were several types of transportation concurrency alternative systems that were within the statute. That was transportation concurrency exception areas, transportation concurrency management areas, multimodal transportation districts, and long-term concurrency management systems. These are not within the Florida statute any longer. They were removed around 2011. But there are many local governments that still have these systems and may want to continue to use these systems, and they are more than welcome to do so. There is an additional transportation concurrency alternative that local governments may use in regards to transportation deficiencies that is now available since 2011. And we'll go over this on our Chapter 5 webinar that will be, I think, on October 29th.
And mobility fees are authorized now,
right,
as an alternative.
Thank you for adding that, Maria.